No, feisty little motherfucker. Okay, yeah, my fault, y'all. I had a little technical difficulties right there. I don't know if y'all saw that. But yeah, it's smoking. But yeah, the story I'm gonna tell today, I'm gonna call this joint Big Boot Little Roach. Nah. Fuck that. We gonna call it Big Boot Shoebox Paper. Y'all gonna be like, what the fuck you mean Big Boot Shoebox Paper? And what the fuck does it have to do with weed? The shit is hilarious, y'all. Alright, so let's set the scene.